welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be showing you a recipe that I actually came up with on my own. I asked my followers on Instagram if they wanted to see some keto recipes that my husband and I have been trying out, and you guys all said yes, so I'm super excited to show you this one. And if you want to follow me on Instagram or any of my other social media platforms, I have all of my links down below. But this recipe is going to be called Ham and Swiss Scrambled Eggs with Caramelized Onions topped with Dijon. I feel like this is kind of a weird combo, but don't knock it till you try it. I love ham and Swiss, cordon bleu. Anything with that kind of combo is right up my alley. I totally love it, so I hope you guys do too. And if you want to see how this turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So I first got going on cutting up my red onion, and then I just kind of diced it. And I weighed my Swiss with my kitchen scale so my macros would be correct. And then I cut it up into cubes rather than shredding it so that I would have very pronounced Swiss flavors rather than it being evenly spread throughout the whole breakfast. And then I just weighed my ham. And then I just cut it up. Tried to make it this roughly the same size as the cheese, but no big deal. And then I put my oil and butter in, and then got going on the onions. I kind of cooked these at like a medium speed. I don't know. I didn't really caramelize them, but they still tasted pretty good. And once they started looking like bacon, I knew it was going to be a fabulous breakfast. So I took those off and then put my eggs in. I only did 2 eggs here. Kind of gave them a head start before I threw in my ham and Swiss. Cooked that down a little bit, flipped it, and then I added my onions, and it was fabulous. All right, guys, so the scrambled eggs are ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and top it with Dijon. Oh, and really quick, so I wrote down all of the macros for this, and it comes out to a total of 7.9 grams of carbs, 38.3 grams of fat, and 31.8 grams of protein. And I got all of that from MyFitnessPal. That's what I use to track my macros. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out, let you guys know that it is love at first bite. This is so good. I feel like this is kind of a game changer for me when it comes to keto, because one thing that I miss a lot is just having a break in flavors. Something I developed after I was pregnant with my daughter is I would never be satisfied with a meal with just kind of one tone of flavored. I would need to either have sweet and sour or sweet and salty or something like that to have a change in palate. And that is something that is kind of a difficult thing for me to adjust with keto. So with the caramelized onions in here, adding that sweet note really helps me with any sweet cravings that I may have. So yeah, guys, that's it. It's my super simple, easy keto breakfast. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know what else you guys want to see. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.